Squarespace offers a few different ways for you to showcase your images. We can add a gallery page to upload and organize our images, push content to social media, and more. In the home menu, click Pages. Then click the plus icon to add a new page. Select Gallery and enter a name for your page. There's a few ways to add images to a gallery page. You can drag and drop images into the collection box. You can also click the Add Items box to upload from your computer. Or click the plus icon to add a single image. You'll notice the option to search for an image, upload one of your own, or add a video. For now, select Upload Image to upload your own. Now let's select Search Image. Free stock images can be found through Unsplash. Premium pictures can also be purchased through Getty Images. Back in the Gallery panel, click on the gear icon above any image to open up the image editor. Here, you can add your image, title, and description. To organize your images and videos by subject, you can add categories and tags to each item. Type your tag or category and press Enter on your keyboard to add it. Under the Options tab, you can edit your image's URL, choose an author, set a source URL, and a click-through URL. In the Location tab, you can add an address to represent the location of your image. Under the Social tab, you can choose to push your image to one of your connected accounts. As a note, you'll first need to connect them before they appear as options. Gallery pages on most templates support videos hosted by YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia. To add a video, click the plus icon in the Gallery panel and select Video. To add one using the URL option, you'll first need to find your video's URL in the address bar of your browser. Then, copy and paste your video's URL into the video editor. Once you've added the video, you can add a thumbnail image. This image would display over the video before it's played. When your images and videos are added, you can rearrange the order at any time. In the Gallery panel, hover over an image or video and reorder them by dragging and dropping them into place. You can select multiple images by holding down the Command key and clicking the images you want to reposition. Choose Select All near the bottom of your browser to select your entire gallery page. To delete images from a gallery page, select one or more images, then click Remove and Confirm. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.